For three, guess what? It's good. That's all.
13-14, barbecue chicken early in the game. 16 minutes left first half. Sorry, 13-4. 13-4. Automatic. He wants another MVP. He wants another MVP. Right there, right there. Oh my God. One more. Bang. 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 Bang, bang, bang.
It's like earlier, it's ugly.
Another one. Oh my God.
Nobody's watching the second half. It's Jaws. 22-4. It's ugly. It's all not good.
Hey, Tone. Dead. 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 Referee. This is serious here, y'all. Something good arm style. Just you can't teach tall. You just can't teach tall. Sammy! Sam! Oh, you got it. All right, good. I get that stroll. I'll try to get stroll shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
When it comes to
Oh. He wants his respect. You know you ain't want to go for no layup. That's a wide open three. I did right, exactly. Jesus Christ. Dance with him. Bang, bang. Corner shot. Yeah, right. He know his role. Smart. That's how y'all play. All y'all got that hurt jerk. Y'all trust everybody. Y'all understand. But y'all don't play like that. Y'all play iso. No, y'all have. They was running. You always have somebody that trail corner. Hell no, he played like shit, man. All them fumbling passes and shit he had. Hell no, fuck Gray. This man out there, though. I was fucking with him. Cares nothing about you. Drops off. Good block. Oh, jump ball. Always. Yeah, 28-8. 28-8. Barbecue chicken. Welcome to the BSN primetime game of the evening. Doesn't look prime time right now. Looks like a prime ass whooping going on right now. This might be the best team in the league. They only lost because they only had 4 people. Actually, they had 3.5. That's it.
Every team I watched them play, they're trying to show the first 3 seconds of the shot.
Guess what? You get another one.
Go ahead, Nick. Over to Dev. What are you gonna do with it? Back over to Nick. Nothing there. Big man don't like to roll. Over to Justo. Kicks it out on the skip. Dad pass. Dad recovers. Throws it in. Nothing there. Out to West. West to Fresh. Back over to Kendall. Back to Fresh. Go Spurs, go. Ball movement. Corner shot. 3. Another one. Prime time ass whooping going on right now. Still nothing there. Another rebound. Skips it over to, I'm calling it. Skips it over. Oh my God, Itchy steps in, keeps the dribble. Oh, makes it look easy. My God. I'm sorry, BSN. I thought this was going to be prime time. What the hell's going on? Tough. Nothing you can do. Good rebound, Nick. Hey, Dad. Over or under 75? Over or under 75? Yeah. Barbecue chicken.
That's why Nick fight back hard. Long in. Fight back hard. This is it. West. Right wing. That's one. Oh, this is one.
That's tough. They're slowly chipping away. Chip, 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 chip. Yeah, he did.
Yeah, you should have. You already made him change the shot. All that. You probably helped him make it.
A 10-0 run and you're still down 14, Dre. A 10-0 run and you're down 14. My God. Good defense. There it is. I called it before the steal even happened. Good D. Where are you throwing it to? 35-21. Bad Boys are on a 10-0 run and they're down 14. I gotta look at it.
Never play with y'all, yo?
I know, I gotta look at it. I think you play Black next week on Tuesday.
How'd you never play last
8 o'clock.
Saturday, Greg?
So you got, yeah, that's what it is. Y'all play Black Tuesday. Then y'all play them last.
I said, how'd you never play with y'all last week?
Huh?
How'd you never play with y'all last week?
They never played very well.
She go to our right hand yet?
No.
That following week. Last week.
I was shooting.
Yeah, I got Thursday, 9 o'clock.
Last week? And that's
Right side.
Yeah.
Well, I'm ambidextrous.
Y'all play purple.
What is
Good pass. Good drop off. Hey, oh my God.
Trying to go to 17 on West, crossover, Hogan, crossover, back up the ball, 3. Oh, Troy's got it. 14-point win. Justin, 6 into that line, last time.
They letting them play. Both of them got hit. They ain't say nothing. Let them play.
Oh, no.
37-21. They went on a 10-0 run and was still down 14. Now they're down 16 at half.
That zone got him a little bit.
Patrick Surtain Jr.
So Justin Fields haven't got picked up yet? You serious?
Get out the way.
Look, you know what? 49ers was putting smoke screens out there for Matt Jones.
I know.
Because they wanted Trey Lance, though, because Trey Lance works perfect in their offense. Because they move the back, the front
And he
football.
gonna sit for 1 year behind Jimmy. All right, bro.
So Denver got a ninth pick, though. Justin Fields might get picked by the You think the Ravens can do it?
What?
Draft.
Who?
If he falls closer to them.
Why not?
Why would they draft that nigga over and have the ball?
Ain't nothing wrong with having depth.
Huh?
I don't think they're gonna do it, but because I don't think he'll be there.
I talk about Carolina. Who they pick?
I don't know who Carolina picked.
Who Carolina pick?
I don't know. I don't have my.
I got my phone. Look at it. I got my phone on the camera. What's your next tournament?
I don't know.
So Greg is sponsoring y'all basketball. Greg is sponsoring y'all basketball team. Greg still coaching.
I think it's mostly the girl who's supposed to learn.
Is she pretty good?
She's funny though.
Can I get a 3? Start half, please. Just get it right back, shoot the shit. No, not yet, not yet. Tell them get out of it.
Listen, you turn it out there. Fresh.
Do you got a ball in this truck? Can I get you?
Just ask Coach Tim for the ball. Just go over there to the table with the front desk and ask for one of their girl balls. My keys are over there, that's why I ain't. Don't worry about it. You'll be alright. Go get that ball over there.
What ball is that?
Don't matter. Who? Good pick.
I think they're gonna go Justin.
That's good.
The whole process, I didn't do it.
He said, "Oh God." What the fuck? Another one. Count the basket. Jesus. Oh. That's an excellent bucket. That's an excellent bucket. Barbecue chicken up 59-40. Dropped off. Nick going to the rack. Kicks it over to Justin. Back to the big man. Big man one. 9 minutes left. 59-42. That's a great move if they put a lot around him. Cowboys gonna get an offensive lineman or a pass rusher. Yeah. Yeah. No, they ain't gonna get Farley. They ain't gonna get Farley. I thought the Dolphins got a second pick in the first round. The Dolphins. Don't they got a second pick in the first round? Fadeaway jumper is crazy, yo.
My thing is how he got both the guns and the jump.
It's crazy.
Every time I get my arms through there, I can't shoot.
It's like Jordan in the 96, 97, 98. Just got bigger. Fadeaway. Every shot is a fadeaway. God damn. Even that shot, it's still a little bit of a fade, right?
It's so quick.
Yeah.
No follow through at the time. Quick.
I guess they heard the statement that they said they wanted to get a big win. It's a marquee victory for them. Three ball, no good, hit the top. Another one. In and out. Nick with it. What he gonna do? Oh, to the rack. Easy. Layup. 68-44 with under 5 minutes left. Fresh, abusing him. Abusing him. Huh? Looks like the frustration from Bad Boys is that they're going to try to do dumb fouls that the refs aren't going to call.
Getting out of here before the tears start flowing.
All right, bro. He saved me. Another one. having him. On the court interview with Chad. What's going on, brother? What's your score count right now? Okay. He is. He up there. You're number 6. You're number 6. Give it to Chad. Chad said he want to get an MVP, bro. Good pass. Nick with another one. Nick with another one. Kendall over to West. West passes it back to Kendall. Whips it over to Chad. Another one. Another one. Step back 3 for Dev. That's good. 80-52. Oh my goodness. For 3. That's good. Play it out strong. I still think these two teams could potentially meet in the playoffs. It'll be a good game. High intensity game when they all are there. Kicks over to Marlon. Marlon for 3. When they're all hitting, it doesn't matter. When they're all hitting, it doesn't matter. They're going for 90. Dev with another one. Light dunk. Another one. Another one. They're going for 90. They're going for 90. Can they get 90? Can they get 90? No! They officially lost the game. 88-60.